that wasn't me.
I didn't know who else is gonna come by that lame ass thing.
I gotta
deal with this, dude.
I gotta clean this. I gotta clean this out. Somebody's coming to get it, and I put some air in the tire.
What are they doing with it?
Selling it. It's sold.
How much?
I can't tell you all that. It's gonna be, the charge is gonna be gone today. I don't know who rode on the Mustang, but it wasn't me. Look, the charge is gonna be gone today. Y'all been seeing the Charger up here at the shop for months and months, hell, over a year, and it's finally gonna be gone today. And I just signed the paperwork for the bow tie to come get picked up tomorrow too. So within the next 24 hours, 2 of my 4 or 5 vehicles that I own will be gone. And we just got the Tahoe back, and I'll talk about that later in the video. Look at my little toy that I got now. We have some fun with that thing. Y'all gonna see Alex bust his ass on this for sure. For sure. I'll have some fun here. Whoa, whoa, that's a shin killer right there. I'm gonna kill your shins on that thing. Oh, watch it. Oh, oh Lord. It don't roll very well. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I'll pull it up. Whoa. Last ride in the old girl. To your new home. V8, 107,000 miles. That ain't bad at all. Cold AC. Runs and drives, cranks up. Somebody's getting a steal right now. Throw a little air in the tires and ride out. Oh wow. V8 will get up and go in that thing. Look at me, I got all excited about going fast and I completely drove past where I was putting air in the tires. Chewy! ¿Qué pasa? Oh, keys in the air. Somebody's getting a good deal. It's got a little rust on her, but she'll clean up nice to somebody. V8. I like the color. I'd like to keep it and drive it, but I got too many vehicles right now. I can't keep them. Definitely a sad day on the channel. I gave away my keys to the skinny bow tie today, so my keys are feeling a little bit light. Shout out to Poppy's Garage. That Poppy's Garage key tag. Cleaned out the Charger. Charger's gone. About to run over here and clean out the white truck. They stroked your boy check today, so they're coming to get it tomorrow. Sad, because I love this damn truck. Think about the fact that I had this truck for like 2 years. 2 years, and I never had a problem. Not one time, other than the oil leak. Never had a flat tire, never had engine problems, never had trans problems, dead battery, nothing. I drove this 65 miles back and forth to work every day and never had a problem. And it just blows my mind. And now the truck's gone. It just freaking sucks. At this point, you know, I definitely doubled my money on the truck through insurance. But at this point, I would just much rather have the truck instead of have to deal with all the headache of a month and a half, almost 2 months of dealing with insurance and then finding something to replace it that's as equal in value, you know what I mean? It's probably not gonna happen that way. Oh. Freaking fuzzy steering wheel though. Freaking vibes. Kinda interested to see what's back here though, because I haven't really gone through the truck at all since I got rid of it. So we're gonna, essentially what I'm gonna do is take everything out of the truck, throw it into the back of this truck, and deal with it later on is what's gonna happen. I did clean out the back of the bow tie a couple of days ago in preparation for this, but the truck itself isn't terrible. I got a lot of stuff in here now because I just cleaned out the Charger last second that was leaving today. But other than that, other than some Gatorade bottles and some applesauce and Taco Bell, the truck ain't really that bad. And I had actually, I think, kind of planned a little bit ahead and left this. Will definitely help me out today. So the good news here is any trash I can just kind of leave, because you know, they'll get rid of it for me, if you know what I mean. So a little bit of change in there, some screws. This stuff came out of the Charger. Trash, look at the Taco Bell, Gatorade, Sharpie, might need the Sharpie, you know, keep that. Or just a Southern Tire hat, keep that. You know. Some parts from my lawnmower, keep that. You know, just the basics. You know, some more parts from a lawnmower, keep that. A little coin that I got from somewhere, keep that. You get the gist of it, right? Some tools, keep that. All right, I got everything just about out of the truck. Leaving the TV, parts of the Corolla that I hit, some old jugs, some water, hangers, a bunch of them, some old shocks that were gonna go on the truck, set of Converse, you know, a couple old odds and ends, a little trash here. Picked it apart, leave some WD-40 for the next guy, you know. Just about everything. Just thought about this real quick. I do want to take my bullet off. Keep that. You know, why not? Can't really take the grill or anything. You know, give it a little kick, why not? Good old whistling diesel, or you know what I mean? One thing I did want to try before I go is, I wonder if this door will open. I guess not. It's probably bent. Bent shut, yep. Yeah. Good riddance. I love this truck though. Yeah, look, see, look at the door freaking bent up there. Make sure there's nothing in here. It's kind of funny. Something I never talked about. The last owner left this Alabama tag in here, or not Alabama tag, but like a little bracelet, and that was in here the whole time that I owned the truck. I never took it out. So, but they'll come pick it up tomorrow, and that will be the end of the skinny bow tie, unfortunately. Still got the old girl though. Still got the old girl. Maybe one day I'll rebuild it for real. I don't know. I really want a single cab Cateye though. We'll see how that goes. Probably the coldest that it's been this year so far, but I did get the call this morning. Like I said, I went ahead and cleaned out the truck yesterday, but I got the call this morning that they're on the way to come get it today. On the way to come get it today. I can't talk, so cold. It's about 45 degrees outside right now. It's freaking stupid. 100% will be the last day that you guys get to see the skinny bow tie on the channel though. It's definitely a sad, it's gonna be a sad day up here, unfortunately. Kind of a slow day at the shop today. We do got that new body style refresh front end Denali coming in today, which is gonna be cool though. Excited about that. Maybe I'll spend a little bit of time on the old bow tie over there today. Clean it up a little bit. Who knows? We'll see how the day goes. It's a nice, beautiful day. Sun's out, not a cloud in the sky. A little bit cold, but can't complain too much. My one plug for the day, if you guys have not entered the giveaway, make sure you guys enter the giveaway. It's the top link in the description, and make sure you guys go show some love. I've still got some hats and shirts for sale on the website. I love you guys. He's here to get the truck. Oh, let me get my dang tag off the back here. Hold on. Hold on. Still runs and drives though. Had to make sure to get the plate, put it up on the wall. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, it's freaking cold. They tilt the whole damn. See, I'd be so scared to tilt that car back. I'm sure that was total too, though, isn't it?
Yeah, your thing up is okay, man.
that sucks. Oh, she gone. The craziest part is I'm never gonna see this truck again. It's like in the moment you say it and it don't sound weird, but think about the fact that this moment in my life will never happen again. I'll never see the truck again. Yeah, look. Oh, it's killing me. I appreciate you though. Have a good one, all right?
Going. That skinny bow tie.
That skinny bow tie. Gone forever.
At least the right side looks good.
Yeah, the right side looks pretty good. She's still shitting on him, low key. She's still shitting on him. Oh, fucking sucks.
Damn.
It seems like a trend right now that all my trucks are leaving the channel. The skinny bow tie is gone, the Charger's gone. Hopefully the Ram's gonna be sold soon. And it seems, you know, some of you might be like, oh, maybe the silver truck's gonna be going soon. Silver truck's gonna be paid off in April. So there's no chance that this truck's going anywhere, probably ever. I mean, if it dies tomorrow, it's probably gonna sit in my driveway till I fix it. So the truck's not going anywhere. The biggest problem I deal with this truck right now is the check engine light. So I just finally have started the process after being in Georgia for almost over 3.5 years. I just started the process to changing all my stuff over to Georgia, like license and stuff like that. And one of the problems I'm gonna run into is, you know, now that my silver truck, the check engine light doesn't stay off for a while, the check engine light being on, a lot of these counties in Georgia do emissions testing. And I'm gonna run into the problem of, you know, having to try and get the check engine light fixed before I can register this truck in the state or in the county that I'm in. So that's really the biggest problem that I deal with right now, other than the fact that I don't have my daily driver anymore, which sucks. So I'm kind of stuck driving this every day, which I don't want to. So, you know, that's kind of the hand that I've been dealt. Ultimately, this video is kind of like one of the OG videos of me just kind of giving you an update on where everything's at. We just got the Tahoe back within the last couple of days. We had to get the engine rebuilt. A lot of you have been asking about the Tahoe, and we just got the Tahoe back. We had to rebuild the engine. We had to do all new, all new lifters. We did all new lifters in the Tahoe. We were having a torque converter problem, and we got the torque converter problem fixed. Now we did new injectors, had to take the whole engine out and do a rebuild from the, you know, take the heads out and take the engine block out and do the injectors. And now we're having a torque converter problem again. So any of you guys know any good tuners or any good transmission guys, you know, in the North Georgia area, other than, you know, LS experts and Vengeance, you know, let me know, you know, because I kind of need an opinion on the transmission problem that we're dealing with after we just got that fixed. So, but that's kind of your update. White truck's gone, Charger's gone, the bow tie's running good. It's the daily right now. Check engine light's on. I got to deal with that, and then we're having obviously issues with the Tahoe, so the Tahoe might be going soon. You know, because I'm just tired of dealing with having a cam truck and cam truck problems ultimately. So, you know that I love you guys. Make sure you guys hit the like button. It would mean a lot to me, and hit the subscribe button. Join the giveaway if you guys haven't already. Be at the top of the description. I love you guys as always. Let's get this bread.